sad. I'm Tim. We spoke about the 3008 that you've seen on Auto Trader. I'm just going to put a little video together just so you can have a bit of a look. I'm going to do it just before the rain comes in, so let's have a closer look around the car. Okay, so I can appreciate there is a video on this on Auto Trader already, which I'm sure you've probably seen, but just be a little bit more specific. All the alloys are very good. There's no marks on those. There's no dents, not even any door edges on there. Just down that door, look. Typically on a driver's door you'd get some, but none. So it's been very well looked after. There's a rear alloy on there. Let's go around the rim for you just so you can see there's no curving. So it's actually pearl white, this one. So this was a £675 option, I think it was, for the paint on here. So lovely pearlescent colour. My 308's in pearl white, actually. Bit of an advocate fan of it. There we go. There. And I'll be honest, there is only one mark that I found on the outside of this car, and I'm going to show you that now. It's just on the driver's side front bumper. It's on the plastic section of the bumper. I'll turn around for you. It's just here by the towing eyelet. Just those little marks there. Now they will be touched in, I would do that, but I'll be honest, that's all I can find. Bonnet's looking really nice. So no door chips on there. Cool, let's have a look on side and I'll just show you that sport button. Okay, so you specifically mentioned the sport button in the photographs. There we go. You can just see them if you're looking super close, but no, that's not anything like the photo shows on Auto Trader. Seating's all really nice as well. So I'll just give you all the seats so you can see. Nice clean driver's seat. I'll just show you the back ones. Back of the passenger seat. That's better. Camera catches up. Centre seat. And then the side seat as well.